What happens the second turmeric hits your body? The glow begins inside. Watch nature's gold flood your gut where healing truly starts. Too much gold can burn. Here's why balance is everything. Your skin doesn't heal from creams. It heals from this. Your body's army just got a golden upgrade. See it awaken. Calm gut, happy life. This is how turmeric makes it happen. Stiff joints? Watch turmeric melt the pain from within. This golden stream? It's your cells screaming, thank you. Your heart's secret weapon isn't in a pill. It's in this root. Nature's golden medicine with power and wisdom. Here's how.